Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to the maths class. Today we are going to learn ascending order. Okay, now tell me, which fruit is this? Yes, this is an apple. And what is this? This is a watermelon. Now tell me, which is the smallest fruit over here? Is watermelon? No. Apple. Yes, apple is the smallest fruit. And which is the biggest fruit? Yes, watermelon is the biggest fruit over here. Now remember, my dear students, whenever we move from smaller to bigger, that is ascending order. Once again, when we move from smaller to bigger, that is ascending order. Now look here, A-S-C-E-N-D, ascending, D-I-N-G, ding, ascending order, O-R-D-E-R, order. The spelling of ascending order is this. Now see, ascending is starting from A. So A is for apple. So this way you have to learn that A is for apple, and apple we are moving smaller to bigger. Okay, means when we move smaller to bigger, that is ascending order. Here we have three numbers, and those are 8, 9, 12, 8 and 9. Now you have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. Ascending means smaller to bigger. So which is the smallest number over here? Is 9 is the smallest? Is 12 smallest? No, number 8 is the smallest. So first we'll keep 8, and after 8, now tell me, now which is the bigger than 8? 9. Yes, so we'll take 9. And then number 12. So this is ascending order, means smaller to biggest. Just see, the smallest number is 8 and the biggest number is 12 over here. So this is known as ascending order. So here we have one exercise of ascending order. Now come on, just see. Now first is A. Now here we have 16, 20, 11 and 27. Now you have to find the smallest number over here. Now just see, this number is starting from 1. We'll see the tens place first. Okay, it is starting from 1. This is starting from 2. This is bigger. This is starting from 1. This is starting from 2. Means smallest number can be 16 or 11. Now you tell me what comes before, means which number, 11 or 16? First 11 comes. So which is the smallest number over here? 11. So we will write 11. Then we will write 16. And then we have, now two numbers we have. Now see, whichever number we have done, we will just cross. Okay, now we have with two numbers, that is 20 and 27. Now who is the smallest, 20 or 27? 20. So we'll write 20 and we'll cancel this number. Next is 27. Now this is an ascending order. You can see 11, then 16, then 20, then 27. Now next B. We have number 34, 39, 30 and 36. Now see, all the numbers are starting from 3, right? Now which is the smallest? 34, 39, 30 or 36? 30. So we'll write 30 first. Then we'll cross this 30. Next, then 39 is the biggest. No, 9. This is 4. This is 6. Then 34. Then we'll write 34. After 34, which number will come? Now we have two numbers that are Yeah, those are 36 and 39. So 36 is the smaller than this 39. So we will write 36 and then 39. Means 36 we have written first, then last number is 39. So we have written here. Okay. Now next we'll move to C. Now we have 42, 57 and 29. Now see which is the smallest number over here. Single digit number, that is 7. So we'll write 7 and we'll cross this 7 as we have written. Now next we have 3 numbers, 42, 57 and 26. Now which is the smaller? 26. Why? Because this is starting from 2. So we will write 26 and we'll cancel this number. Now how many numbers we have? Two numbers, 42 and 50. Now 50 is bigger than this 42, no? So which is the smallest? 42. So we will write 42 and now which number is left? 50. So we will write 50. Okay. So this is your ascending order. 7, 26, 42 and 50. Now next we'll move to D. Now we have 44, 22, 11 and 33. Now see which is the smallest number over here. Now you tell. Yes, 1, 1, 11. After 11, 22. Very good. Then 44. No, 33 and then 44. Very good. And last we have 31, 13, 49 and 28. Now see which is the smallest number over here, which is starting from 1, right? There is no single digit. So first of all we'll see this. This is starting from 1. So we'll write 13, then 2. This is starting from 2, then 3, then 4. So after 13 we'll write 28. And after 28, which is the smallest? See, 13 we have written, 28 we have written. Now we are with 31 and 49. Which is the smallest over here? 31. So we'll write 31. We'll cancel this. Now which number is left? 49. So we will write 49 and then we will cancel 49 also, that because we have written here. So this is known as ascending order. Now my dear students, you have to practice this exercise in your maths copy. Okay? Thank you.